Hi, class. Welcome to the week topic one participation tutorial here. Now, I don't want students to get thrown off here on a participation too bad because participation isn't an assignment you submit in a Dropbox like you do with the GCU resources worksheet, or it's not like a quiz where you submit something like a quiz. Basically, topic one participation starts on Monday and ends on Sunday. So you have a policy that goes over you replying to your peers in class. So let me just go over that for a second real quick, okay? So participation policies best, let me show you where the policy's read and you can see it on the screen. And the best place to see the policy is by finding it on the resources side where you find the reading material basically. After I go to like the first topic here on this right hand side, you'll see on this right hand side it'll say participation. And this just goes over the policy itself. So right in front of you, participation is in that discussion forum area. It's in DQ1 and in DQ2. Okay. So in DQ1, remember, you have to write 75 to 100 words. Same thing with participation. It's 75 words. What participation means is you're going to click on classmates' answers. They're going to have answers in DQ1 and in DQ2. You're going to click on your classmates' answers on at least 2 out of the 7 days of this week, and you're going to reply. Okay, so it says a minimum of 4 postings each week. So you could pick any 2 days of the week to post. You know, if you post two on Tuesday and two on Thursday, that's 4 posts. That's 2 different days in the same week. In order for them to count, you have to make sure you're hitting that 75 word expectation. I always tell students if you type away and you write your answer out and you give examples or you relate something to the reading material during the week, you're going to hit over 75 words. So it wouldn't be too difficult to do that. Okay, so just make sure you're doing that. All right. So let me show you how to do it. All right. So participation, like I said, is done in the discussion forum. Now, when you click on DQ1, you'll get to where in front of you you'll see different posts. Now, they might be expanded, they may or may not be. You'll see multiple posts here on the side. But if you click on them, and let's see if I can click on it. Here we go, expand. You'll actually, and you can also collapse or expand all, but you'll see more than just one here. Here's a post here, but if you want to expand the post, you just click on the arrow. When you're ready to reply to the post, you have to make sure that you go down far enough where you'll click reply. So if I want to reply to this, let's say this is one of my classmates' answers, or you watched the tutorial and you want to say you watched it, you're going to click reply because then it shows that I'm going to reply basically to this thread here. You only click the reply to discussion when you're giving your initial answer. So you're only going to do that one time. Okay. When you do participation is when you click right here on this reply. So again, when I want to post participation and hit my 75 plus words, I'm going to come here, click reply, and then I'm going to type my post here of 75 words or more, and then I'm going to post it. So that's how you post participation. That's what that participation means, okay? It doesn't mean that you have an assignment to attach or anything like that. It's participating in class. So it'd be like if you're in a live classroom and your professor writes on the board, here's a question I want you all to answer. And each of you raise your hand and give your answer. That's answering DQ1, right? Or DQ2. Now let's do participation. Everybody, I want you to reply to at least 2 classmates' answers. So if I reply and I say, you know what, Jane Smith or John Smith, I want to comment on their answer. That's what participation is. It's getting that and you're getting engaged in a conversation with your classmates regarding their answers to these discussion questions. Okay, I hope that clarifies it. Participation is one of those assignments that Takes a little bit of time to understand. Sometimes you get it right away, sometimes you don't, but we'll get through this process together, okay? So if you have any questions about this, please let me know, okay? Thanks.